on page number 44, you can see next point, corrosion. Related to that, we have to perform one experiment. We have to take 4 test tube. In first test tube, we have to take boiled water with the oil. In second test tube, we have to take salt solution. In third test tube, we don't have take anything. And in fourth test tube, you can see anhydrous calcium chloride. This compound is taken. Air is naturally present in any test tube, but fourth test tube is closed with a rubber cork. In 4 of these test tube, iron nail is placed, and these 4 test tubes are placed for few days as it is. Then after few days, what we observe? We observe that the iron nail which is present in the second test tube have a rust in large amount. That is, that iron nail undergoes rusting process very fast or rapidly. Then the slight change was observed in only air containing third test tube. Very slight change we can observe in test tube first. No change can be observed in test tube 4, because you can see fourth test tube is closed with a rubber cork. That is, there is no air contact or water vapors from the air. They have not in contact with the iron nail. So what is our observation? Our observation is that both water and air are necessary for rusting. Rusting म्हणजे गंजणे. The rusting process takes place rapidly in presence of salt. Have you seen the effect of redox reaction in your everyday life? The new vehicle looks shiny. On contrary, old vehicles look dull. A certain type of reddish colored solid layer collect on their metallic surface. This layer is called rust. बघा, ज्या नवीन ज्या गाड्या असतात त्या कशा दिसतात? शायनी. आणि ओल्ड ज्या तुम्हाला व्हेकल्स आहेत ते कसे दिसतात? त्यांचा कलर गेल्यासारखा दिसतो. हे कशामुळं? ड्यू टू रस्टिंग. रस्टिंग म्हणजे गंजणे. अ सर्टन टाइप ऑफ रेडिश कलर्ड सॉलिड लेअर कलेक्ट ऑन देअर मेटॅलिक सरफेस. दिस लेअर इज कॉल्ड रस्ट. When iron come in contact with the oxygen, then it combine with oxygen and it form the reddish color substance called as rust. Its chemical formula, always remember the chemical formula of rust: Fe2O3 XH2O. You can see here water molecule is also present in the chemical formula. That is, water and air are necessary for rusting. The rust on iron does not form by a simple reaction of oxygen with the iron surface. The rust is formed by electrochemical reaction. म्हणजे रस्टिंग ही जी प्रोसेस आहे ती कोणती रिएक्शन आहे? इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल रिएक्शन. फक्त आयर्न ऑक्सिजनच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये येऊन रस्ट फॉर्म होतो असं नाही. डिफरंट रिजन्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ आयर्न बिकम एनोड अँड कॅथोड. जो आयर्नचा सरफेस आहे त्यावरचा काही जो भाग आहे तो काय होतो? एनोड. काही भाग हा काय होतो? कॅथोड. सो व्हॉट आर द रिएक्शन ऑफ रस्टिंग? फर्स्ट, Fe is oxidized. Oxidized means you can see losing of electrons is also called as oxidation. So Fe is oxidized to Fe2 plus, and when there is a losing of electron, positive charge possesses on that atom. So Fe solid, it give rise to Fe2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. You can see here Fe loses 2 electrons, so it possesses 2 positive charge on its head. Second, O2 is reduced to form water in the cathode region. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or acceptance of electrons. Oxygen, here you can see in oxygen there is a addition of hydrogen plus acceptance of 4 electron. So it is converted into 2H2O. When Fe2 plus ion migrate from anode region, they react with water and further get oxidized to form Fe2 plus ion. That is Fe2 plus ion migrate from anode region, react with water and further oxidize to form Fe3 plus ion. A reddish colored hydrated oxide is formed from Fe3 plus ion. It is called a rust. Colored hydrated oxide is formed from Fe3 plus ion. It is called a rust. It collects on the surface. Then what is the final chemical reaction? 2Fe3 plus aqueous plus 4H2O liquid give rise to Fe2O3 H2O plus 6H plus aqueous. That is, this is the final chemical reaction of corrosion. But when question is asked, write down the rusting process or corrosion, you have to write down these three reactions. First one is Fe is oxidized to Fe2 plus in the anode region. Second, O2 is reduced to form water in the cathode region. And last one, this chemical reaction. So, what is meant by corrosion? Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metal take place. That is, metal combined with oxygen, and it will result into their damage. This is called as corrosion. Iron rust and reddish colored layer is collected on it. This is corrosion of iron. Corrosion is very serious problem. That is, due to corrosion, there is a damage of ship, building. Then, how to avoid the corrosion? That is, to avoid the corrosion, we apply paint. There are different chemical processes, that is electroplating, galvanizing. We are going to learn these processes in next topic. Then find out how are the blackened silver utensil and patinated greenish brass utensil clean. You have seen in your home, that is, your mother is applying tamarind or lemon juice to clean the or wash silver utensil or patinated brass utensil. That is, lemon juice or tamarind, they contain tartaric acid. So, due to tartaric acid reaction, these utensils were clean. Also, baking soda is also applied for cleaning these utensils. See question number 5 of your exercise. Observe the following picture. Write down the chemical reaction with the explanation. Collected rust. You can see water drops, cathode and anode, iron. You have to write the same chemical reaction which I have explained in the video. That is, Fe is oxidized to Fe2 plus in the anode region. O2 is reduced to form water in the cathode region. That is, these three chemical reactions you have to write for the rusting process. What is meant by rust? What will happen? This chemical reaction is the answer of question number 5 present in your exercise. Of this topic is rancidity. What is meant by rancidity? When we use old leftover cooking oil for making foodstuff, it is found to have foul odor called rancidity. If food is cooked in such oil, its taste also changes. That is, when oil or ghee is left aside for long time or fried food is left aside for long time, it undergoes air oxidation and become rancid. बघा, जेव्हा एखादं घी किंवा ऑइल तुम्ही जास्त काळासाठी हवेमध्ये उघडं ठेवल्यानंतर हवेतला ऑक्सिजन त्यामध्ये काय होतो, मिक्स होतो आणि ऑक्सिडेशनची प्रक्रिया घडून येते. त्यामुळे त्याचा टेस्ट आणि वास काय होणार आहे, बदलणार आहे. यालाच काय म्हणतात, रॅन्सिडिटी. रॅन्सिडिटी इन द फूड स्टफ कुक्ड इन ऑइल और घी इज प्रिव्हेंटेड बाय युझिंग अँटीऑक्सिडंट. म्हणजे जर रॅन्सिडिटी किंवा फोल ऑर्डर आपल्याला घालवायचं असेल तर फूड स्टफमध्ये काय ॲड करतात, अँटीऑक्सिडंट्स. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑक्सिडेशन रिएक्शन ऑफ फूड स्टफ can also be slowed down by storing it in an airtight container. That is, to avoid oxidation reaction with the food stuff, it can be kept in airtight container. If you see question number 4, give scientific reason in that. You can see question number D. It is recommended to use airtight container for storing oil for long time. That is, answer of this question is that to avoid rancidity, the airtight container used for storing oil for long time. When oil come in contact with the oxygen present in the air, it undergoes oxidation, so it will become or it will create foul odor. So its taste and odor changes so it will become rancid. To avoid rancidity, it is recommended to use airtight container for storing oil for long time. So you can see that rancidity, to avoid rancidity, we use antioxidant, or we can use airtight container to avoid the oxidation process of foodstuff with the air oxygen.